Hello students, today we are going to solve the question number 3rd of NCERT. You can see in the question number 3rd in the following figure, if LM parallel to CB, LN parallel to CD, then prove that AM by AB equals to AN by AD. This is the figure already given in the questions. You can see LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. So first of all, we write what is the part of given. So LM is parallel to CB is already given, and LN is parallel to CD is already given. We need to prove AM by AB equals to AN by AD. First of all, we take the triangle ACB. In triangle ACB, you can see LM is parallel to CB. So by BPT, we can write here AL by LC equals to AM by MB. This is the equation number 1, and again we take in triangle ADC. In ADC, LN is parallel to CD, so by BPT we can write AN by ND equals to AL by LC. Equation number 2. You can see in equation number 1, AL by LC equals to AM by MB, and equation number 2, AN by ND equals to AL by LC. So the AL by LC and AL by LC both are commons in equation 1 and 2. So we can write from equation 1 and equation 2, we can write AM by MB equals to AN by ND. You can see we need to simplify more, because here AM by AB equals to AN by AD, and here is AM by MB and AN by ND. So we need to preserve the value of AM. Okay, so we will put here a star, and we will also put here AN. We need to value of AN, so we will preserve it. So next we can see the value of we can write here AM by MB equals to AN by ND. So we can reciprocal the ever, so we can write here MB by AM equals to ND by AN. We can add both sides by +1, so AMB by AM +1 equals to ND by AN +1. So LCM is AM, so MB plus AM equals to AN and here is ND plus AN. You can see the if we add MB plus AM, so MB plus AM we will get AB, and if we will add ND plus AN we will get AD. So we can write here AD by AN. You can see we need to prove AM by AB, so again we reciprocal, so AM by AB equals to AN by AD. That is the desired result for these equations. We can put here by reciprocal, and here by adding 1 by both sides. Okay, thank you.